The United States has finally come up with its roadmap, with its strategy, with its plans to deal with China. How? This is what the subject matter of this very brief video editorial is. I am Rajiv Sharma. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has said that American plans of dealing with China will revolve around a broad coalition of world democracies to counter China. And significantly, he made these remarks during his recent visit to the UK. Now, well, this is something that needs to be elaborated, highlighted, and understood. Pompeo has talked about, he has criticized China on many counts, some of which he has specifically mentioned, like the Chinese push over its maritime claims in South China Sea. Then Pompeo has also talked about how China is bullying countries in the Himalayas. A twin reference to India-China border conflict, which is still not resolved, and China's renewed border claims over Bhutan. Now, the Bhutan example is rather ridiculous because the Chinese claims they pertain to Sakteng Wildlife Sanctuary in Bhutan, which is not even contiguous to China. That is, Sakteng Wildlife Sanctuary does not even border China. And still China has made that claim and has proposed to Bhutan that it is for a package solution to resolve the border conflict with Bhutan. So clearly, Xi Jinping, the Chinese president, is following in the footsteps of Mao Zedong. That is, pursuing the expansionist designs of China. Now, when we talk about the coalition of world democracies, here is a chink in the armor. What democracies we are talking about? Which democracies apart from US has clearly come up in support and has stood clearly with China, with India during the China border conflict as far as India is concerned? Apart from US, none. So when we talk about France, Germany, UK, Russia, they have simply paid lip service. So in any case, Russia is not a democracy, but we are talking about a coalition of democracies. So that coalition of democracies, that will include UK, France, the two P5 powers, then of course Germany, of course Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and India, of course. Now, what Pompeo may be referring to, and he has not spelled out, is probably the Quad. And, well, straws in the wind suggest that further beefing up, further consolidation of Quad is in the pipeline. We'll wait and watch, but how India will deal with China, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has dropped a broad hint. That is, beef up your economy first and then China will be automatically dealt with. This is a sound approach. This is a return to the Manmohan Singh era. Manmohan Singh during his 10 years as Prime Minister focused wholly and solely on improving the GDP and strengthening the Indian economy. So I will put a stop to this video editorial here. Friends, hope you will like this video editorial and subscribe to my channel, Rajiv Kishkinda. Thank you.